Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see,
and we're trying to get an Instagram photo, so you guys can watch us. If you're seeing this, my camera survived a lot of water.
Hello! I actually just finished work. It's like 5:30. Today is Cody's birthday dinner on his birthday. It was really hard to book a restaurant for Monday, but I did it. I'm gonna get ready. This is me in my work mode. So I'm gonna get ready, get cute.
so if I ever touch you, baby, you should know I'm going crazy. I can't help myself.
You don't want to put it all the way out here.
You piss me off by your extra questions and give me extra work. I already said it was okay.
Okay, this is what I decided on. It's a little looser. So I wrote this one.
Tell me how you feel, put your heart out if it's real. You can dance till 3 in the morning. Don't wanna pretend like I just wanna be friends. So if I'm being honest too.
So here we are, we made it to Sushi Yasuda. I actually had to wait till midnight, 2 weeks prior, to book this reservation. It's so beautiful. Sushi Yasuda is actually a Michelin Guide restaurant, so it's pretty popular and busy. So we decided to go with the Omakase 15, which is about $140 per person. It is presented with 15 pieces of sushi and then a half roll.
Oh yeah? I like the level of seasoning. Yeah.
So Cody and I have been to several omakases in New York City, and we do prefer the stronger flavors. So I really appreciate when the sushi rice has really good seasoning.
That's really take a picture.
There's wasabi in there already, right? Good?
So this piece is kampachi. I tried to record some of the nigiri pieces that we got, but also trying to enjoy the meal with Cody as well.
I love how seasoned it is. It's like just a little bit
The rice, I think they
salty,
add
but so good.
the rice, I think it's already different colors.
Yeah. That's the end, no more. But plus the activity.
So for Cody's birthday this year, I got him a gift for every day because his birthday is the 9th of August. But unfortunately, I couldn't get one of the reservations for something that I wanted to take him to. So we're doing that later in the month, which I will share in an upcoming vlog. And the piece that we just got is bluefin tuna.
What? And you're soft.
So I might be late to the game, but I've been really liking tea recently, and especially with sushi and omakases, it kind of just cleans your palate and everything. But it's always so hot, and my hand is just not tough enough, so I have to cover it with a napkin.
Hi, can I get
The red one.
Oh, I don't know. I've never seen that.
So this piece is sardine. I'm just so amazed about how tiny the cuts are, and it's so beautiful, and also the skin is really shiny. The flavor was a little bit fishier than what I usually like, but I really appreciate the beauty of it. So I don't know if I made up this scenario in my head, but I noticed that the sushi chef was turning it so I could grab it more easily, so I really appreciated that. Definitely added to the experience. And this piece is one of my favorites, is scallop. The texture of the scallop was so nice. It's definitely one of the best ones I've had.
A really good scallop.
The scallop is
Wow. Okay. Thank you.
You have to do a month in advance or lunch.
Wow. Oh, it's really dark.
And this piece is sea bream.
Could be like 6? Yeah, I feel like a week. Is it sad that like we spend so much for each other's birthday, it doesn't even seem like something?
No, we do something once a year. That's what's it.
Not sure.
This piece is striped jack. Again, it's so beautifully and intricately cut that like I just felt bad eating it, and then there goes Cody just popping it in his mouth.
You make now, right?
Huh?
You want to do that tradition you have now, right?
I cooked it.
Oh, where's the good?
Oh, I should probably do that. What am I going to do? With salmon?
You do it with the squid whenever you cut it.
Oh, I don't rarely get the hook.
Then we're getting 2 clams.
Okay.
I don't think you get.
Did you enjoy getting a gift for the game? I was going to do nothing. It took so much time, especially to make sure everything came on time. Couldn't care.
I did it. She did very nice. You get it?
I did. I think I did. I don't want to cheers them. You think I blew party? really like this place. Oh, thanks for the spot.
So at Sushi Yasuda, they give you the fried head with the spotted prawn. It's one of my favorite nigiris. I definitely think I have a preference for like the shellfish family.
Take off the outside and then eat the inside. What did you buy it?
What I said actually I had it's a real concept.
That's so good. How do I take this off?
Hello.
Oh, I got it. I got the inside.
You want it?
It's too hard for me. Wow.
That was very nice.
Very nice.
It actually has best.
Should we get shrimp head?
Surprisingly enough, one of my favorite pieces was the toro hand roll. It was just paired so nice together. So you have the fattiness of the toro and then the sourness from the pickled vegetable that they added, and then the roasted seaweed to complement everything. So it was so good. This is definitely one of the type of foods that I'll just find myself thinking about, and I'll definitely come back just for this hand roll. Of course, no sushi experience is complete without uni. So this is uni. It was definitely one of the best and cleanest and creamiest unis I've ever had. So really good.
This is way better.
Yeah.
Way better.
First different.
It was bigger. I think mine was like the remnants. Wow. I had some tuna stuck up here. I mean, some. Huh? It's okay. Thank you, though.
The sushi chef began by asking us if we have any preferences. So I told him I don't like eel, so he gave me this oyster nigiri instead. But Cody is one of the biggest lovers of oysters, and it was his birthday, so I had to give it to him. And actually, that was the first time that both of us saw a oyster nigiri. I think he really liked it. We finished with Cody ordering some extra pieces. They also gave him some fruit for his birthday. And then we just walked around the town. This spot was near, and it's always so beautiful and really nice to visit. And then at night when we got home, I gave him a little cake with a candle. So yeah, happy belated to Cody. We're in traffic. Hello, we found parking. We are in Brooklyn, and we're gonna take some photos and eat and hang out because I haven't seen Nanny in a while. Nanny.
We haven't hung out like without Cody.
Yeah,
in so
Cody's
long.
busy. Yeah. I got a comment that was like, do you go outside by yourself? And I was gonna answer no. Well, there's no reason to right now. I got my teeth cleaned. Oh yeah, she does. She's very good at being independent. I'm not. Got my teeth cleaned. I spent some time at the eyeglass store, which I probably would have included already. But yeah,
You didn't go with Cody, right? You went alone.
Cody just dropped me off.
I should be less reckless with my feelings. I should be more careful who I'm kissing. My insecurities just aren't appealing. But baby, you said it's over, but cry on my shoulder. Make me mad, but I'm still thinking of you on the car ride home. Staring at my phone, still invested, but I know you said we fell out of love, boy, that's just how it goes. It's hard to move on when you want my clothes. Picture you, baby, with somebody else. It's killing me so.
Hello. It's raining and thundering, and we're trying to get an Instagram photo, so you guys can watch us. Oh my god, you see it. And if you're seeing this, my camera survived a lot of water, right?
Yeah.
And,
no, it's not a lot.
And passerbyers.
We're fine.
Okay, let's go.
You used to wear. Girl, I hate how much you think about it still. Girl, I know we shouldn't care. Girl, I hate how much you think about it still. We fell out of love, boy, that's just how it goes. It's hard to move on when you want my clothes. Picture you, baby, with somebody else. It's killing me softly. I can't help myself. Messing with my heart. Yeah, baby.
Hello. It finally stopped raining, but we were using the waterproof picnic blanket as a shield, and it was really efficient.